Hey, we have Bitcoin on February 24th, 2022. We are on the hourly chart with the Heiken Ashi candles, and let's just jump right into it. We are a little overbought, and if we're talking about the immediate time that we have had today, a little overbought, but look at this massive pump, looking very nice. It's about 15.75% gain, and this is responding right back to that news that Russia and Ukraine are getting into it. Russia invading Ukraine. We got that news. Dipped about 15%. And then, oh, here we go. Yeah, dipped around, oh no, dipped around 12%. But then, we had that pump, 15.8 on that wick. This liquidated a bunch of shorts, especially around this range over here, crossing this support line. Boom, a lot of liquidations. I believe it was like $100 million worth of liquidations got just short squeezed out of here. And so we are actually we're going at this resistance line right now, and it actually looks like we are breaking above it, which is a very good sign. This is actually a freshly printed candle. So yeah, we did confirm our last hourly candle under the resistance line, but now we are testing and try to break out above it. We are overbought on the hourly, so it is something to look at for the time being. 38,779. So let's jump into the smaller time frames and let's see what's going on. So yeah, it looks like we are breaking that. We have money flow coming in right now. The RSI is still a little overbought on the 45. We are seeming to come down from this blue wave over here. So it looks like we do have a lot of strong resistance, but it doesn't mean that we are out of luck yet because we are breaking that. 7-7. We're having a tough time, fully exploding out of it, but it's not bad. We are showing some strong bullish action right here. So until the Bears start, pushing us down, this is looking really good, really good. But there are some things to look out for. So let's jump a little closer. All right. So look at this. We have our average RSI and the, I guess the shorter term RSI. They're right on line right there, but still in the overbought range. Money flow is coming up, but kind of rounding off. VP, and this is the VWAP over here is on the zero range, but looking to come up from back over here. We have this, the blue waves are kind of just playing around above the zero line, but still kind of having a little trend downward. It really depends on what's going on in the next couple of minutes, to an hour or so. We'll see what will happen in this market. Just wanted to update you before all the madness happens here. Could have a strong move up or down, but it is looking like a lot of volatility will be coming very shortly. We have money flow, very healthy money flow. And on the 15-minute, we are actually in a stable price range, but touching that overbought range. So we'll have to see where we go from here. It is showing bullish because we are holding these lines, but let's actually turn these resistance lines into support lines, breaking through them earlier. This is another one right here, claiming those supports. Bulls are doing well over here. We are creating. Oh, actually, yeah, we're close to it. This is a higher high right here. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, and yeah, that's we're just bullish continuation right here, higher, higher. No divergences playing out right now, so we'll keep it going. We'll keep it going. Yeah, this is above that resistance line, but as we get to the smaller time frames, this line may get a little bit, inaccurate. Not as much as inaccurate, but there's like a range to look out for here. Like this might be the actual support and resistance we're playing with, and until we break above like this upper line, we're still in resistance. So we'll keep it going. Where RSI's breaking out. Yeah, okay, not too much. We are having some nice price action though, but I believe we did come down a little bit from a couple of seconds ago. So yeah, we can see it on the smaller time frame. 5 minute is showing a little bit of bearish action. At least, yep, there we go. Takes red right as we call it. So money flow is kind of choppy, but not too bad. We're still in the green, so this is good. We are printing a red dot over here. I would have to confirm. So if we break below this resistance line, we could be coming back to the downside. Not too bad though. We could be just coming to test this support and then shoot up. And then by coming down over here, we would be bringing down this RSI to a more stable range, and then something like that. You can see how it's lining up over there. money flow. We could have the VBOT coming down and then shooting back up. Maybe not that high, but you know what I mean. So we'll clear this. All right, just some opportunities here, and yeah, of course, if we do break the support, we have a couple more support ranges as we go down, but as of right now, we are looking decent, decent. Another red candle there, so yeah, these are short time frames, 3 minutes. That's playing out. So if you're trading this, it's well, yeah, this is a tough one to trade because we're at a decision point right here. It could be an opportunity to short, but you would be getting a little bit ahead of yourself if you short at this second. But hey, risk management here, and you could be seeing some potential short gains. This short, yeah, as we're coming down a little bit, that's 1% on leverage. 5x leverage, that's about a 5-6% gain right there. And as we keep going down, you could be having short positions open with some stop losses along the way. I would not be longing this per se, but definitely holding on to everything because there is a high potential that we break up to the upside, hitting that 42,000 range. And of course, that would be another great thing, showing a lot of strength in the market at that point, and then, just continuing to test ranges, the support and resistance levels as we go up and down. So, yeah, this is what we got going on. This is a 3 minute. We can jump into the 1 minute. Let's do it. Let's see what we got going on. Money flow coming down on the 1 minute, starting to get a little bit lower on the RSI, so we could be stabilizing out a little bit. But as you can see, throughout this whole trend, we are creating higher lows. Um, can't say the same for on the high side. It might be doing a little something like this, like that. It's tough. These are on the wicks also, so we could be straightening this out a little bit more. Have something like this play out. Um, yeah, something like that. You know, this could be what we got going on, and then maybe a little break to the upside. If we do break to the upside, we could be having a price action of. Yeah, let's just refine this a little bit. Could be having a price of 40,900. 41,000 would not be a bad level to test right now. Anything right, if we break out, this is extremely bullish. So, if we get out of this could be huge. We could have anything to play with here. Yeah, this is a massive range. If we get above here, that's yeah, 10% pump right there. So that would be huge for the Bulls to pull that out. But there's still room for the Bears to take this. We are this smaller time frame, but we have been overbought on the 15-minute and the hourly, so we definitely could be coming back down. If we do, we have some measured moves of around 1% before support, another 3.5, and then a 5. So shorts not as much reward as longs, but risk risk it for the biscuit. So with more risk comes more reward. So we'll see. We'll see. There's a lot of fun to look at this and see where it's going, where it potentially may go, and just to trade on certain price levels. Best not to FOMO in, but instead of act on these price levels and have a little bit more confidence in the trading that you are doing. So, yep, I'm gonna end it at that. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.